So what's up guys, welcome to another fantastic video. And in today's video I want to show you something that is really going to be helpful in your business. So this is called Google My Business. Okay, so if you have anything doing and you want to show it up on Google for free, then you should consider using this option. And this is how it's going to look like. I'm sure you must have seen something like this before. So like I said, here it's totally free, it's easy, and it's personalized. So you can add all your contact details like your photos, your pictures, your details, so that your customers can be able to reach you. So I'm making this video to show you exactly how to set up your Google My Business account so that your businesses can appear on Google. So whenever you search for, or whenever your customers search for your services or your products near them, wherever they are, your product or your service is going to appear just like what you see on the screen. So if you're excited, if you want to know how to do it, then continue watching this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do them in today's video. So like I said earlier on, it's free, it's easy, and it's personalized. So it's actually going to look like something like this. It's going to have all the information about your business, the phone number, the contact, the directions, and everything you want. And you can easily control all these things from this website, business.google.com. So that is how you do it. So if you want to know how to do it, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you are logged into your Google account. So for my case, I'm going to be using this Google account. So once you're logged in into your Google account, then you want to go to this website. It's called business.google.com. So you want to go to business.google.com. So once you are here on this website, this is the website you're going to be using to create this profile for your business to appear on Google search results for free. So once you have this, then the next thing you need to do now is to click on sign in or manage now, whichever one. So I'll just click on manage now, and it's going to pop up this section. Now if you are just if you go to this website and you have not signed in your Google account, just click on sign in and make sure you've logged in your Google account. Okay, so once you've done that, then you need to continue from the next step. So the first thing you need to do right now is to enter your business name. Now before I continue, I want to tell you that this is actually going to help your business actually get more visibility. And of course, a lot of people search for different stuff on Google, and once you've registered your business and they search for your business on Google, and they are anywhere close to where your business is, it's going to pop out. And of course that will lead to you getting more visibility, that will actually lead to more sales, depending on the type of business you're doing. So right now you're going to give this stuff a name. So I'm going to call this real store. Let me just give it any business name for now. So you want to give this stuff a name. So once you have given it a name, then you click on continue. Then it's actually going to bring you up to the next step, which is now you selecting the type of business you're doing. Is it an online retail stuff, or local store, or service businesses? So for my case, I'll just click on this one, online retail. So as you can see, for this first one, customers can purchase product through your website. The second one is customer can visit your business in person, and the third one is your business you may visit customers. Okay, so I'll just go on the first one, and depending on what your business is, so just select the option that best suits your business. Okay, so once you're here right now, it's actually going to ask us to provide the website link. So if you've been following my videos, I've shown you exactly how to create websites, your e-commerce website using Google Sites. So you can do that, but in this case I'm not going to use any website, so I'm just going to skip it for now. Of course you can add that later. Okay, so once we've done that, now we need to select business category. So I'll just look for a category that might match what I'm doing right here. So I just search for some category. So let me just say e-commerce services. So let's say e-commerce services. This category is okay. For what I want to do, just click on next, and it's going to pop up this section right here. So what we want to do right now is to enter address. Okay, So it's to enter the address of the business we want to use. So um just enter an address here. So I just entered this random fake address, but you want to enter something that is good and something that is real. So once I've done that, so I'm just going to select a state. So let me select any state right here. So once you've done that, just click on next. Okay, the postal code format. Okay, let me add more numbers here. I think it needs more numbers. Click on next. Okay, about adding one more. I think the postal code is disturbing me. Let me add. Okay, so I've done that, and now we need to add our phone number. So this number is actually going to be used to verify your business, so make sure you do this part. Okay, you can skip it for now or add it later, but make sure you add your phone number and make sure you have access to the phone number you're going to add, because you are going to be using it to verify your business. Now if you don't verify your business, I'm sorry, you can use it. Okay, so you make sure you verify it, and one way they verify it is by verifying your phone number. Please make sure you understand that. So I'm going to just skip this stuff for now, because this is not a real business. This is just me teaching you how to do it. Okay, so I don't want to put it on Google, but I want to show you the steps. Okay, so I'll just keep this thing for now, and it's actually going to put me here right now. Put your business on the map. So right now we need to put our business on the map. We need to get discovered. We need to allow people search for us, and we need to allow Google show up our businesses for search results. So right now just you can sign up to their news notifications, but I'll just leave it and continue. So right now we need to go to the next step. Okay, so I'll just click continue and wait for the next step. So the next step is verification. Like I told you, don't forget, you need to do this step if you want your business to start appearing immediately after you finish inputting all your information. You need to make sure you verify your phone number, because this is the way they verify your business, like I said. Okay, so I'm not going to verify this because, like I said, it's a random stuff that I'm just doing just to show you how to do it, just for tutorial purpose. So I'm going to click on verify later and go to the next one. So just select when your business open. You can also put in input the time here. So I'll just go through them. You can select the time where you open and when you close. Okay, so if you're doing stuff online, you can just keep it on 24 hours, so that it's good like that. So I'll just click on skip, and you can allow messages. Okay, so people can message you right after seeing your business on Google. If you want that, just keep this thing on. I advise you to keep it on so that you can receive messages. Okay, so for my case, of course, I'll skip. It's not a real business. Okay, so right now we need to add description. Okay, so you need to add a description about your business. So for my case, I just said this is the demo. Just add a good description about what your business is all about. Okay, so once you've done that, just click on next, and now you need to add photos. Okay, so these photos are going to be displayed on Google as well. Whenever your business, or whenever people search for your business, they can see these photos. Okay, now you need to upload images that portray what exactly your business is doing, what exactly your business is all about. You need to upload those images. So for my sake, I'm not going to upload any image. I just want to show you the steps. So they give you example of about how the images should look like and what actually works. So look for good images that portrays what your business is all about, and post it here and upload it here. So once you've done that, now it doesn't have limit. You can upload as many as possible, so just know that. Okay, once you do that, click on, if you want to start advertising using Google Ads. Now this is exactly how it's going to look like. Okay, so what Google Ads is all about is like showing your website to potential customers, but you're gonna pay for that. Okay, it's a service. Okay, it's Google Ads service. Okay, so if you want that, you can just click on start now, and they can set up a Google Ads account for you to set it up and start advertising. But if you don't want that, just keep it. Okay, so if you're just setting up your Google My Business account for the first time, I advise you just keep it and set it up properly first. Then later you can go ahead to do Google Ads if you are ready for it. Okay, so I'll just keep it now, and as you can see, your edits will be visible once you are verified. So because I'm not verified, all these things I just did are not visible. So I must be verified before they are visible. So once I click on continue now, they are going to be showing up on Google. But like I said, they are not going to be visible because I'm not yet verified. So if I click on continue, they are going to go ahead to set it up and tell me that your business is not visible to customers. Like I told you, I've told you why it's not visible, because I've not verified this my Google My Business stuff. Okay, so if once I verify, it's going to be visible to the public, and people can search for my business near them or wherever, and they can find directions or get my contact details to call me or something. Okay, it's that relatively very simple. So this is all the information we add, and from here you can as well go ahead to edit, reload message, add photos, see the performance. You can also advertise, add updates, edit services, edit products. You can do a whole lot of stuff right from here. And if you don't want to use this if you don't want to use this option, you can just go back to Google My Business. So I like to refresh, so just refresh the page, and once you do that, just click on manage. Now it's actually going to take you to your Google. It's actually going to take you to your dashboard, or the same page, this place, and where you can edit every single part of it. Okay, so you can see your business profile on Google, and read so many information that is related to Google My Business. Now, Google My Business is actually good for you if you have a business set up, if you want to, if you want customer, if you want to list your business on Google search, you can use this option, Google My Business, to do that. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so I believe this video was helpful, guys, and don't forget, like I told you, make sure you verify your account, your phone number, before you can be able to use it. Okay, so because if you don't verify, sorry, you might not be able to use it. Okay, so make sure to verify your phone number, like by clicking, by going through the steps I showed you earlier on, and by clicking here as well. So that way you can be able to use your Google My Business account. Okay, so that is how you set up Google My Business account. Very straightforward. Go, follow all the steps I've showed you in the video, and you can be able to set it up. Okay, so whenever you want to edit, all you need to do is to just go to just search for business.google.com. So just click on that, and it's going to you're supposed to open up your business. But because I've registered, it's showing me this right now, so I can easily click on get verified and verify, and I can easily click on any of these things. Like I can see the performance, it's going to show me the performance, but for now it said I should get verified before it shows me performance. I can as well edit profile. Once I click on edit profile, I can edit the name, the description, different things right here. Okay, so I can do a whole lot of stuff. I can add services or edit, but I think before I can do any of those properly, I need to get verified. So make sure you set it up, get verified, and enjoy the benefits of Google My Business. For example, if I go to Google now and search for let's say restaurant near me. Okay, let me say restaurant near me. Okay, I didn't put this thing where. Let me do that again. So if I go to Google now and say restaurant near me, okay, so all these restaurants that are near me right now, I think let me not use incognito mode. Let me just do this on my normal mode. Let me do this on my restaurant. restaurants near me, because right now I see my locations. Okay, as you can see, these are the restaurants that are near me, so I can decide to see them. And all these things are added because their business, Google My Business, is added. So whenever you're setting up your Google My Business, you can also, they will also ask you to set up your address, like map, where it is in the map, and the likes. Okay, so because I skipped a lot of things, that's why I skipped it. But if you follow through my process, you're gonna get it. Okay, so I believe it was helpful, and you have known exactly how to set up your Google My Business account and start listing your products or services onto Google using the free Google My Business. So if you learned something, subscribe if you haven't, to turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any video from me once I drop them on this channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed and enjoy. Thank you very much.